Nokia has already launched an impressive 6 new smartphones this year. However, it appears there is at least one more in the work. The Nokia 9, expected to be HMD's 2018 flagship, appears to be on its way. Despite the approach and strategy with which Nokia market its devices, they are not far behind in bringing a high-end device. They have already teased a flagship device in the way of the Nokia 9 PureView on their Facebook page recently. This device packs 5 cameras, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset, and various other specifications we see in flagship devices. So here is everything you need to know about the Nokia 9 PureView. Excited? So let's get started. Now before we get started, how about you hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos about latest smartphones. A Nokia 9 leaked spec sheet appears to show upcoming phone will pack some pretty awesome internals. From the leaked spec sheet, it looked like Nokia 9 will pack 6.01-inch AMOLED display with an 18:9 aspect ratio. You will also find a Snapdragon 845 processor on the Nokia 9. The battery comes in a pretty massive 3950 mAh, so you should have no problem getting a full day's use. Additionally, the phone features a dual SIM slot, but there is no word if it's a hybrid SIM for additional microSD storage. As for memory, the Nokia 9 may feature a whopping 8GB of RAM and 256GB of onboard storage. Though there is no mention of RAM in the FCC documents, Geekbench is also reporting the Nokia 9 will feature 8GB of RAM. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Nokia 9 involves the fingerprint sensor. According to recent spec sheet leak, the upcoming flagship will feature an in-display fingerprint reader. Early rumors state the Nokia 9 will feature a dual camera setup, but those rumors actually refer to the recently released Nokia 8 Sirocco. More recently, an image has leaked of Nokia branded phone with a whopping 5 cameras, and it's possible that the leaked device will actually end up being the Nokia 9, and that is also recently confirmed by the company itself. The Pentalens setup has Zeiss branding, which makes sense considering Nokia's partnership with Zeiss, and Zeiss patented a camera zoom system that looks very similar to what we can see on this phone. Previous rumors indicate that the Nokia 9 will boast a 41-megapixel wide-angle primary lens with optical image stabilization. It appears to follow the lead of the Samsung Galaxy S9 with a dynamic aperture switching between f1.5 and f2.4. You will also find xenon and LED flash for the primary lens. The secondary lens is rumored to be 20 megapixel and feature OIS with an f2.4 aperture. As for the tertiary lens, you should expect to see 9.7 megapixel monochrome lens that will likely be used to enhance portraits. The front camera is expected to come in at 21 megapixel and features a pretty impressive f1.8 aperture. Nearly a year ago, the first render of Nokia 9 appeared online. While dozens of other renders have appeared since, it appears the first may be closest to what we will actually see. Though that depends if the leaked image of the Pentalens headset end up being the Nokia 9. It appears that the Nokia 9 will look a lot like the other phones introduced by HMD in 2018. A possible spec sheet says the phone will feature a ceramic body with 14-karat gold trim detail. Additional rumors suggest that the Nokia 9 will indeed feature an edge-to-edge 3D glass display, which means that it will be essentially without bezels. There will be no capacitive touch buttons and is set to exclusively support navigation gestures with virtual touch buttons. It's intriguing because the design is bezel-less unlike the Nokia 8 Sirocco and therefore more in the line with other 2018 flagship Android phones. The prevailing trend for Android flagships over past year has been super tall, 18:9 display that dominates the front of the headset, many of which have lately spotted an iPhone X-like notch at the top. Earlier rumors suggest an upper mid-range OnePlus-like device and price, but with more recent leaks pointing to a true high-end flagship and some serious perks, we might be looking at truly pricey headset. A report from MySmartPrice suggests a launch price of $999, the same as the iPhone X. If true, then Nokia must be incredibly confident with the new super phone or a bit mad. According to Nokia Power User, HMD started production of Nokia 9 in August. As a result, it appears that while HMD might have previously aimed for a September launch, the phone might not be ready until mid to late October or later. So guys, are you excited for Nokia 9? What do you think about this new Pentalens setup? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.